Welcome back to day 2 of the 8-day IELTS Reading Challenge. Yesterday, we talked about speed. We learned how to skim and scan to find information fast. But finding the information is only 50% of the battle. Today is about accuracy. We are diving into the most confusing, most debated, and most frustrating question type in the entire exam, which is true, false, and not given. By the end of this video, you will have a logical system that removes the guesswork. You won't be hoping you got it right. You will know you got it right. Let's look at our mental filter for today, the traffic light system. True, this is a green light. The text says the exact same thing as the question. It will use synonyms, but the fact is 100% confirmed. False. This is a red light. The text says the opposite. It doesn't just give different information, it actually contradicts the statement. If the text says the sky is blue and the question says it's red, that's false. Now, let's talk about not given. Well, this is the yellow light, the I don't know zone. The text doesn't confirm it and it doesn't deny it either. If you find yourself thinking, well, maybe it's true because, just stop. If you have to bring in outside information to make it true, the answer is not given. Now, let's think about not given logic. Look at a real example of the not given trap. Look at the screen. Well, your question is the given text is the Himalayan wolf is a specialized hunter that primarily targets small mammals like marmots. And looking at the question, it's the Himalayan wolf is the most dangerous predator in the region. What do you think the answer is? Well, many students see specialized hunter and think, yes, that sounds dangerous. True. Just stop right there. Does the text compare the wolf to a snow leopard or a bear? No. It might be the most dangerous or it might not because the text is silent on the comparison. The answer is not given. Don't assume. Time for your first interactive challenge. Look at this study. Most participants reported feeling a significant improvement in their energy levels. And your question is, all participants felt more energetic after this study. I want you to type your answer in the comments right now. Is it false or not given? I'll give you 15 seconds. Well, you should be done in less than 5 seconds, but still, since this is your first time, I'm going to give you 15 seconds. Okay, so the answer is false. Why? Because most, maybe 90%, and all means 100%. So that contradicts each other. If the text says 10 people were in the room and the question says 100 people were there, it is factually wrong. Watch out for words like all, always, or only. They are usually traps. Now, how do we find these fast? Use the sandwich method. True, false, not given questions are always in order. If you find the answer to question 1 and question 3, question 2 must be in the middle, the filling of the sandwich. If you look in that specific area and the information isn't there, don't waste time looking at the rest of the piece. It is likely not given. Trust the order of the test. Quickly, let's look at yes, no, not given. This is about the author's opinion. The author blames population growth for urban sprawl. The phrase rather than means instead of. The author is literally rejecting population growth as the cause. Because this contradicts the author's stated belief, the answer is no. So, here's the step-by-step execution. To solve this, follow these four steps. Underline control words like all, only, some. Scan for hard keywords that can be names, dates, and number 3 is compare meaning. Like you can always match the synonyms. And step 4 is to decide using the traffic light logic. Does it match, contradict, or is it missing? So, your day 2 homework is to download the practice PDF. I have put a 15 question trap detection quiz there. See if you can get a perfect score. Subscribe for day 3 where we master matching headings. I'm from ACE IELTS. Stop guessing, start scoring. Class dismissed.